If you think comfort food has to be heavy, watch this. From Russia, this is beef stroganoff. Simple ingredients, cooked the right way. Onion first, low to medium heat. This is where your flavor starts. Now the beef, high heat, small batches, quick sear, 1 to 2 minutes. If you overcrowd the pan, it steams instead of sears. Mushrooms go in, let them release moisture, then let it evaporate. Garlic, just 30 seconds. Now it smells right. Bring everything back together. A little liquid. Let it gently simmer. Heat down, add yogurt or sour cream. Do not boil this or it breaks, and we don't do that. Turn it off. Let it rest. That's how the sauce comes together. Rich, smooth, balanced, protein, healthy fats, mushrooms for digestion and balance, comfort food done right. Our website is live, eatwellwithcharlie.com. We now have over 370 recipes and growing. We add 15 new recipes every week from the countries you choose. So tell me, what country should we cook next? If something looks off, let us know. We're building this together. Alex added the PDF for this recipe. And don't miss Mike and Mindy in the description. They explain why this works. If you love comfort food done right, hit like, share it, subscribe. We're just getting started. And tell me, would you try this version?